Take care of a kitten. Looking after kittens. Get tips on basic kitten care. If you've just gotten a kitten, you may be wondering how to care for her and what you should be doing. You may have questions about vaccines, foods, litter boxes, and kitten health concerns. Here's how to take care of a kitten. Speak to your veterinarian about vaccinations. Your kitten will likely get a variety of vaccines between 8 and 16 weeks old. These will protect against feline leukemia, FeLeuk, and feline immunodeficiency virus, FIV. FIV and FeLeuk are viruses that attack the immune system similar to the way HIV attacks the immune system in humans. Other vaccines she will likely get include distemper and rabies. The distemper vaccine will also help protect from some respiratory viruses. Care starts with visiting your vet to make sure it is up to date with all vaccines. Speak to your vet about how to control parasites like fleas, roundworms, ticks, tapeworms, and ear mites. Parasites can make your kitten uncomfortable and potentially very sick. The treatment for these parasites is generally very easy and highly recommended. Feed your kitten quality food. Your kitten needs food that is made with the proper amount of protein and vitamins and minerals for growing. You'll notice there are a lot of food options out there, so do your research and find the best one. A good food is Nutro Natural Choice Complete Care Kitten. You should be able to find this at a pet store. If you have an older cat, and your kitten eats some of your older cat's food, it's nothing to be concerned about, but try them separately until your kitten is a year old and can transition to adult food. Give her some dry food to munch on during the day and feed her canned food twice a day. Do not ever give her cow's milk. It can cause diarrhea. Keep your kitten supplied with water. The water bowl should be pretty shallow so they can reach it. Kittens are often fascinated by water and will probably play in and tip over the bowl. A towel beneath the bowl or a bowl with a heavy base, or both, may be a great idea. You will need to teach your kitten how to use the litter box. Taking care of a new kitten can be a lot of work, especially when it comes to litter box training. Drag her paw through a litter box and she will instinctively know what to do next. Keep the litter box clean by scooping out any material twice a day. Use a non-clumping litter for the first 3 months as swallowed clumping litters can block her digestive tract. Keep your kitten clean. A full bath is not needed, but rubbing a warm, damp cloth over your hair will help if she hasn't figured out how to clean herself. This is also a great bonding ritual since you are mothering her. Pet your kitten. Proper care involves lots of love. It's very important that you gently stroke her so she gets used to the idea. This will help to eliminate any aggressive tendencies she has. While petting, keep your voice low and your movements slow so you don't startle her. Don't forget to play with your kitten. Just be careful when she pounces for your hands, feet, or elbows and don't let her roughhouse with you. This will teach her to roughhouse with you when she gets older. Some experts recommend emitting a high-pitched sound if your kitten becomes too rough. Get your kitten toys that she can easily push around. Suggestions include a fake mouse, a ball of paper, or a small ball. Remember that they shouldn't play with things they can easily swallow or suffocate in like push pins, paper clips, rubber bands, threaded needles or plastic bags. Contact your vet if your kitten has the following symptoms: vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy or tires, easily wheezing, straining when urinating or defecating, bleeding, change in appetite, change in behavior or attitude, breathing changes, abnormal twitches. Any other questions or concerns? You have required tools: a qualified veterinarian, kitten toys, kitten food, litter box, shallow and separate food and water bowls. Caution: never take a kitten away from her mother until she is at least 8 weeks old. Useful links: Kitten Care,